back truck and riders. Today we are going to see our top case models for motorcycles. This is our 40 liter new design. Earlier we used to have another design. Now from last month onwards we are selling this design. And this is a 52 liter model, newly arrived top case. So these are the two top cases which we are selling currently. Both of this comes with a cushion for the pillion, so backrest for the pillion. So this is inbuilt, so this will be much more comfortable for a pillion rider. Same here also. This also has a pillion support cushion, slightly longer version. So now let's see what is inside this top cases. This comes with the base plate, which we will show you later how to fix it on the bike. And this is a cover for the base plate. Then all the mounting parts, the bolt nuts and the clamps, and the wheel to lock it to the base plate. This model got one more interesting feature. It's a small rack on top of the top case. If you want to carry some extra luggage, lightweight, little volume item on top of the thing, with the bungee nut or bungee cord you can attach on top of this. It's a small additional feature of this case. This also has the base plate and all the mounting parts. You will see this later. So now let's see how to fix the base plate on the rear carrier of the bike. This can be fitted on a carrier like this, a flat carrier like this, or a carrier like this, pipe one. So this is a standard rack, just I bought it from the Expulse dealer. So this should be the ankle for this. Now we have parts like this, all the parts there. 4 W-shaped mounting clamps, then washers, nuts, bolts, all stuff is here. A small Allen key to tighten the bolt. Okay, then all the washers again and the nuts are there. So what we need to do is, first we need to find a place to insert this 4 washers. You can probably put one here, then one here, and one more opposite side. Maybe we'll put it in this corner. Yeah, I think now all the 4 we have placed. Then we can put this. Okay, before that we need to insert the small washer. So this position is okay for fixing it. Now what we need to do is we need to take this W-shaped clamps. we need to align this clamps like this, and once you tighten it, so in this, for this particular flat rear rack, you can use this position. So it will come like this. Once it is there, you just need to put one, this nut got inbuilt washer, so it will be difficult to tight with the hand. So what you have to do is, so from top you need to use the Allen key, and on the bottom, on the nut, you just need to put a spanner, so that it will be easy to tighten. So with the Allen key you can easily tighten this one. You have to hold it. So don't tighten it fully till you insert all the four, so that any kind of correction in terms of alignment, left, right, front, back movement, you can adjust. So just keep it just tight, so that minor movement will be possible. Finally you can tighten everything together. Another mount with the same type of nut. Hold it with the spanner, and then tighten it with the Allen key. Then the third one, same way. The base plate is fixed on the carrier. It is strong. You can see it's very strong with the four bolt and the mounting parts. This got tightly secured onto the base plate. Now this is the cover for the base plate. Once you fix the base plate, this will give a neat look. So what you need to do is, you need to insert it like this, the slot, and two small screws are there. You need to attach that one. Very tiny screw you need to put here, so that this will be secured. We'll use a normal screwdriver to tighten this one. This is tight. Yeah, this is also tight now. So that's it, the base plate got installed. Now let's see how to fix the top case onto this. So if you look at the bottom of the top case, you see the front side got this kind of a panel. So you need to put that into the base plate slot like this. So it got locked here, and when you open the top case, so you can see here a small slot here where you need to fix the hand wheel like this. That's it. Now fixing this top case onto the base plate is hardly 1 minute job. So anytime you can fix or remove it from the base plate without any issues by using this hand wheel. Now the locking system, this is a locking system for this model. You have to just press one, you have to press here, so that the lock it will come. Then you can lock it, take the key off. For unlocking, again open it, press it, lift it. Very simple system. Let's see the 52-liter big box installation. Earlier we have seen the 40-liter on a flat rack. Now this is another standard rack, comes with the Himalayan and few of other bikes wherein the rack is made of pipes like this. No problem, we can fix it on this kind of rack also comfortably. So we need to because it's a little slippery. Let me just put the, so you align it such a way that your lock is outside the rack. So maybe you can put one here and another one here, maybe one here also, the last one maybe here. So you put the washer and then the bolt. Like earlier, we can use the same W shape clamp. On this model, you put it in this way so that it will hold on to pipes. On a particular angle, it can get hold on to pipes like this. Put the nuts. So like we have seen earlier, this base plate is got installed now, and this also comes with a cover, base plate cover like this. We need to insert that one. So now that is in position. These two small screws, we need to fix it. So that is also fixed. Now let's see how to fix the box on the base plate. Like you have seen earlier, this got a different kind of front locking, so it has to go to the rack slot. And yeah, now it has gone to the rack slot, and inside is same like a hand wheel. You have to tighten it. That's it. So this got a different kind of locking system, separate handle, and you just open. This has got a inside lever like this. This is a lock. It will get onto this rod. That's how it is getting locked. That's it. And you got a small grab handle here. So that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for another interesting product.